Hi all, I'm Bea and I'm glad to have you here. My channel is about mixed media, art journaling and more. Welcome to week 37 for Everything with Wing. Today I did pull out some printed labels. I did print my own artwork. It's a fun way to use up your own art. So I'm gonna have this as a background. Then I have grabbed those butterflies, which I did receive in a happy mail. Unfortunately, I don't remember who did send me. I'm sorry about that. And the little saying delightful. Whoop. Here it is. Which I did print on my computer. I'm probably also gonna use Gesso. Here, here, white Gesso. Any brand will work, doesn't matter. And not sure, I'm probably gonna do some hand embroidery too. I will pull in those things when I'm at that stage. With no further ado, just let's start. So I did print my own artwork on some sticky self-adhesive paper and gonna do a little mosaic. Oops, straight would be nice. So whenever I do backgrounds, I usually take a picture just with my phone, nothing special, nothing fancy. And sometimes I use it in other projects. I just grab them, no rhyme, no reason, not thinking too much about where I'm gonna put them. And I do overlap them. Now I want to tone it down a bit, just simply with some gesso. I wanted to give the background a little bit more sparkle. There's never enough sparkle. This color. It's a little bit too dark. That's nice. Okay, I want some clear, which I only have in the Winkle. No, that's not the clear. That's the clear. I just want the sparkle, not a color. Oh, I have to watch. Always make sure that you know where the holes are if you want to turn it into the book at the end of the year. It's not the first time that I had an important detail right on the holes. Let's start again. Yeah, like that, this way. It doesn't show off so much from the lace, so let's see. No, don't like that. Of course I'm gonna cut back here because I don't want the overlapping thing. So I have to think about maybe just 3. I want an uneven number, that I know for sure. I'm gonna glue them down just in the middle, and I want to lift the wings up a bit with the foam dots. I'm gonna make small strips of the foam dots and put it underneath so that it isn't showing when I'm come on. A little bit too long here. Maybe this way it works better. Have it already on the butterfly. I think they need some gems.